Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Joey. You're watching My Slice of Heaven, and tonight is campfire cooking in a Dutch oven. Tonight we're going with an easy recipe because well, we got here late today and we did some work around the property and we're tired and it's getting kind of late. So we're going to make ranch chicken tacos.
They're called Chicken Dutchiladas.
Oh, we're not making them in the Dutch oven, really.
Well, they're not really enchiladas.
It's a variation of a recipe we found called Chicken Dutchiladas, where you actually stack the tortilla, put in a tortilla, put the filling, stack another tortilla, put the filling, stack another tortilla, put the filling, and build it up like that, cook it in a Dutch oven. But like I said, it's late. We don't have time to do all that. So we're just going to heat the tortillas. Going to wrap them up in aluminum foil, set them by the coals while we mix the filling in the Dutch oven, and then we'll just make little tacos. So stick around. Hope you enjoy this recipe. So what we're going to do, we're going to take 2 sheets of aluminum foil. I don't know, 10 by 10, 12 by 12, something like that. We're going to take 3 flour tortillas, because that's what we have with us. Just start them right there and kind of wrap them up in the aluminum foil. Twist the ends, and that's it. And we'll stick these not too close in the fire, but just to the side of the hot coals so they'll be getting warm and steam up inside of here. And that's it for that. Each person will do their own, wrap their own tortillas. Be 3 tortillas per person. Alright guys, we're just going to stick these on the edge of these hot coals right here. Let them start getting warm. And we'll rotate them a little bit if we have to. Right now, I'm just going to spray the inside of this Dutch oven with cooking spray. And yeah, it's running right. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. What we got here is some chicken that we had smoked on our smoker a while back and just picked it, put it in this Ziploc bag. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm just going to put it in the Dutch oven and heat it up. Ooh, hear that sizzle? And look what I got this time. Alright guys, we're going to take off the lid and give this chicken a stir. You know we got to taste it, see if it's cooking. Oh yeah. Going to backtrack for a second. We got about 2 pounds of chicken in here. Now we're going to use 16 ounces of sour cream. So we're supposed to put in 1 package of dry ranch seasoning. I've got about 2 packages worth in here. We make our own. I'm just going to use about half of it. And we're supposed to use about 5 ounces, right?
Are you supposed to use half of that?
Yep.
So 5 ounces right now.
About 5 ounces of enchilada sauce. And then give it all mixed together. And then we're just going to let that heat up for a little bit. Alright guys, we'll plate one up for you. Our version of this recipe, because like I said, we was in a hurry, we wanted it done quick. But I'll post up the original recipe, will be in the video description. And you can just follow that according to the recipe, or you can try it our way. We have no idea how this is going to taste yet. This is our first time trying this. But we're going to take our tortillas. Oh, and they're hot. Oh man, you can smell them too. Ooh.
I can smell it over here.
There's one. Just getting it ready. Okay guys, follow me over to the fire. I'm going to take a couple of scoop out. Put it in each. Pardon me, I got smoke in my eye. Just take a little bit, scoop, put it in each taco shell. We'll leave that right there because I'm coming right back. Follow me back to the table. And we're just going to sprinkle it with cheese. And here you go, Belle.
Oh, mine.
That's our guinea pig.
Joey. I am your daughter. Thank you very much.
That's our pet guinea pig. She'll let us know whether we should have any or not. So like I said, guys, this was not the exact recipe. We winged it because it was late, getting dark. We was in a hurry. We figured tacos would be quicker than the enchiladas, but like I said, I'll put the full recipe, the full original recipe in the description. Try it that way, try it our way. Let us know which way you like the best. Thanks for watching. And as always, remember to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Perfect.